if I want to be great speaker, then age, dress, etc. It matters.
Age, dress.
Age,
No, it does
dress.
not matter. It does not matter. See, when I started my journey, I was 18. So,
Oh.
so of course, I got lots of rejections.
Mhm.
So let's not talk about that. I got tons of rejections. Like whenever I used to approach corporate company, they used to say that, oh, you are underage and you don't have experience, this and that. You are now kid. You haven't completed your college also. All those stuff. So it happens to me. So, but after that, I got opportunity in one company. I presented myself. I gave my workshop, and from that point of time, I got huge opportunities in my life. So see, age doesn't matter. You can start any point of time.
Oh, so today I went to school today as I am a primary school teacher, and I when I was giving midday meal to my students, so then one of my teachers uh, told me that what you are doing these days, because I can see that on WhatsApp status you are giving that you are going to be a great speaker. So what have you learned from there? So show me. So then I thought that he is testing me, and then I behave like a king because this is my kingdom. He was surprised to see me. That my behavior was changed totally. So after giving my presentation in front of my teacher, he was shocked to see me. So after enrolling this course, I I am learning public speaking skill, communication skill, social skills, and also English. So I could not speak in English. I did not have so much self-confidence.
See, you
Right?
able to speak incredibly in English. Okay, don't say that like that. See, all
Oh,
you have
thank
to
you.
do is you just need to do more and more practice.
Oh, yes. Thank you,
Okay.
ma'am. Okay.
Yes. Yes. So, what was your question, by the way, Mr. Gautam? See, as you talked about age, right? So, age does not matter. And when it comes to dress, see, dress is outer, external thing, right? But your personality, that is something which matters a lot. Your mindset
Mhm.
matters a lot. That what exactly you think about yourself, what exact perspective you have about others, or you think about people that, oh, people are evil, people are bad, all those kind of stuff, or you think that, oh wow, people are amazing, people are phenomenal. So your perspective towards people and your personality, it matters a lot. Okay, and
Mm.
that's what I am sharing with you in this 60-day social skills program. So after completing this, you will just take your personality to the next level. You will just transform yourself completely. But for that, you've got to listen to me every single day.
Yeah. And this is my promise that every single day I will post a single video on Telegram group. By hook or by crook. I will
Wow,
post and
that's
I will
amazing.
join every class. I will
Yes,
join.
awesome. Awesome, awesome. If you want to connect with me personally and want to become part of my inner circle, inner community, then I would highly recommend you to connect with me on WhatsApp. Here is a number. Please go ahead, connect with me on WhatsApp and attend my free upcoming workshops on public speaking skills, communication skills, social skills, and business workshops. And on top of that, if you want my various courses on all these skills, then please go ahead, connect with me on WhatsApp and just grab the opportunity which I am providing you through my various courses, which is absolutely free for you. Please go ahead, connect right now.